What's going on, guys? It's me, Kevin, aka Fitman Cook, and today in the Fueling Gainz kitchen, we are making some avocado fries. When life gives you something this delicious, you put it in a taco. Let's get to it. First, slice an avocado into thick pieces. Dip it in flour, then egg whites, then panko breadcrumbs. Place them on a baking sheet and bake for 20 minutes at 375. Once they're finished, sprinkle on a little sea salt and pepper. To make the sauce, you're going to add Greek yogurt, chipotle peppers in adobo, cilantro to taste, and fresh lime. Blend until smooth and add a little water to adjust thickness. Now let's make the taco. You're going to add cabbage, some of the chipotle sauce, your baked avocado fries, pico, and fresh cilantro. Check out these macros. This has been Fueling Gainz with Bodybuilding.com. Remember to come back next week where we are keeping it healthy, but never ever boring. Boom! Who can take this spicy challenge? I'm not sure if people from Boise can take it.
All day.
Okay, let's go. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure that you smash that like button below and subscribe to the channel for more tasty content.